Hello, it's me again, Nathan. Today we're gonna make my favorite chocolate cake. We only need 3 ingredients. 10 packs of Oreo biscuits, 1 cup of fresh milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Step 1, we need to crush the biscuits using a mortar or a pizzo. Two, mix all the ingredients using a blender until fine and smooth. Grease the baking pan using butter and oil, and then transfer the mixture to the baking pan. Tap the pan to remove bubbles. Steam the mixture for 30 to 45 minutes. It looks like our cake is ready. Now it's time to decorate it. For the ganache, It's optional. Tasting time. Sarap! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.